On behalf of the government of Anguilla, I am pleased to welcome all the attendees to the 10th OECS Environmental Sustainability Exhibition opening ceremony. To our overseas delegates, we are pleased to host you in our incomparable Rainbow City, Anguilla.
While ministers gather to engage in meaningful dialogue regarding a sustainable future for our region, this exhibition provides an opportunity for public education and engagement.
The exhibition will showcase different areas where we are acting, be it in our ecosystem, biodiversity, energy, food security management.
And demonstrating the solutions that show that it is possible to deal with the issues that we face.
If you want to preserve you and me, but me and you, we soon gone. This is my little child we gotta think on. Our grandchildren, our great-great-grands. This is them who need this blessed land. So please, let's know and do much better. Our actions now can change the future.
Thank you to the OECS Commission for choosing Anguilla to host your 10th Annual Council of Ministers of Environmental Sustainability. We trust that this year will be the best year ever.
We are pleased to have been able to collaborate with the government of Anguilla to present an exhibition under the theme Positioning our OECS seats for accelerated and sustainable transformation, faster, better, stronger, together.
In the great words of Robert Swain, the greatest threat to our planet is to believe that someone else will save it.
I declare this exhibition open.
Some of you can join us in this door.
Islands, we're one ocean nation, all beautiful emeralds set in one sea.
More than just islands, one blue ecosystem, each